I had a conversation a few months ago that really stuck with me. A friend, let's call him Jake, was 59, healthy, successful, and financially free, but he looked exhausted. When I asked why he was still working, he smiled and said, "I'm just not ready to stop. Maybe one more year." 2 months later, Jake had a mild heart attack. Thankfully, he fully recovered. When we met again, he looked me in the eye and said something I'll never forget. "Hardy, I realized I've been saving for a future I might not be able to enjoy because of my health." That moment changed everything for him, and truthfully for me too, because after helping thousands of retirees, South African retirees, over almost 2 decades, I've learned something very powerful. The happiest retirees aren't fulfilled because of what they added to their lives. They found joy by letting go of what no longer served them. So today, I want to share 10 things the happiest retirees stopped doing and how that completely transformed their financial peace and their quality of life. Hi there, and welcome back to the Family Wealth YouTube channel. My name is Hardy Swart. I'm a certified financial planner at Family Wealth Custodians. Over the past decade and a half, we've helped thousands of retirees retire with peace, clarity, and confidence. We have a dream to impact as many South African retirees as we possibly can, and you can help make that happen by liking, subscribing to the channel, and sending it to a friend or family member that might be approaching retirement. And please remember, today's video is for educational purposes only, and it doesn't constitute personal financial advice. Always speak to a certified financial planner before making any big financial decisions. Here's the thing, your wealth means very little if you don't have the health to enjoy it. We've seen clients stay in stressful jobs for just one more year, only to watch their health decline. One client's wife said it best, "The job is hurting him." She was right. He eventually realized that investing in sleep, movement, and mental health offers the best long-term return of all. Without health, nothing else matters. As we grow older, our wealth increases, but our time decreases. If you wait too long, your energy and health may not match your dreams. We oftentimes show our clients a life in months chart. Each month of your life is a single dot. It's a sobering reminder that every dot is precious. Because if you think about it, let's say you start working at the age of 25 and you work for 40 years. That means you're only going to earn 480 paychecks until the day you retire. And then if you retire at the age of 65 and you live into the ripe age of 95, that's 360 times that you have to pay yourself. 360 months or 360 dots. So if your work gives you purpose, keep going. But if it's stealing your joy, maybe it's time to start shaping the next chapter. For many people, that just one more year becomes 5. The truth is, it never feels like enough. Once your financial plan shows that you're secure, continuing to work only adds numbers, not happiness. At some point, you must stop accumulating and start living because you've earned it. Markets, inflation, the rand, elections, all things beyond your control. The happiest retirees stopped obsessing over the noise and start focusing on their plan, sustainable spending, diversified investments, and mental peace over market panic. Worrying doesn't fix tomorrow, it only ruins today. We all love our kids, but many parents quietly damage their own retirement to support their adult children. The problem, it often creates dependence, not empowerment. Your children still have time to rebuild. You don't. Before you help, make sure you are financially secure, because you can't pour from an empty cup. Energy is contagious. Some retirees didn't realize how much negativity they absorbed until they stepped away from certain relationships, even family. If you can't avoid it, set boundaries. Your peace is worth protecting. Surround yourself with people that lift you higher, not those who pull you down. The happiest retirees spend with intention. They invest in experiences and relationships that bring lasting joy, not possessions that lose value. Every rand should reflect your priorities. When your spending aligns with your values, you feel wealthy long before your balance sheet says so. We've all made mistakes, financial or otherwise, but regret is a heavy burden to carry into retirement. Studies show that people in their 60s and 70s often report the highest contentment levels of any age group. Why? Because they let go of what they can't change and focused on what they can. One of the most common regrets of the dying is, I wished I had the courage to live a life true to myself. When you're 20, you care what everyone thinks. At 40, you care less. At 60, you realize no one was thinking about you at all. The happiest retirees live honestly and simply, and that authenticity brings peace. Someday, I'll travel. Someday, I'll slow down. Someday, I'll finally enjoy what I've built. But someday never appears on the calendar. The happiest retirees stopped waiting and started living. They said yes to the things that mattered most: family, adventure, purpose, and peace. Retirement happiness isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of what drains your energy, time, and joy. If you'd like to explore what your next chapter could look like with clarity and confidence, click in the link in the description below and book a short exploration call with one of our team members at Family Wealth. We'll help you by asking 360-degree questions that not only focus on your wealth, but also on the qualitative side of what retirement truly looks like. If this video spoke to you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone preparing for retirement, because the goal isn't just to retire, it's to live fully. I'm Hadi Swart. This is Family Wealth. Keep investing into your future.